Good evening to all of you. Welcome to BYJU'S exam prep and welcome to this next session from 100 most expected Maharashtra CET question series. So today we have part 5 of the same. So I think we can start with our class now. As you all know, I'm sure that many of you have been a part of the previous parts of this series. So in this series, we discuss questions which are basically very much relevant from quantitative abilities perspective, which appears in Maharashtra CET. So but therefore, we call them the most expected quant questions. I mean, these are the kind of questions that you can expect. Almost of the similar type questions would be there in your exam as well. We take up questions from different areas. And the process would be I'll be showing you the question. You all first of all try it. You'll try to give the answer according to that. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई बी डूइंग इट फॉर यू और ऐसे ही करके हम लोग चलेंगे एक बार आप आंसर देंगे एक बार मैं आंसर दूंगा एक बार आप करेंगे एक बार मैं एंड दैट्स हाउ विल बी गोइंग अहेड सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट गाइस शुरुआत करते हैं विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले हियर इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन योर स्क्रीन नाउ लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आंसर दिस करेक्टली Is there any Telegram notif for live session? Yes, if you are a part of the BYJU'S exam prep CAT and MBA Telegram channel, in that case, yes, you will be having that notif with you. Here you see the first question. Extremely easy question. I just want to see how many of you answer this fast enough. I think my picture is too big, so I will just decrease the size a little bit. Dipankar has given the answer as C, 44.5. Krishna Patil also got C. Ajay Benny has got D. We have got three answers. They are CCD. Nancy Goyal has answered C. Sahil Mahajan has got C. Five answers, four of them are C. Looks like C is the correct answer then. Shrishtu has got C. Saraswati Panche has got C. Yogita has got C. Rutuja has got C. So let's start doing it then. We have got many answers. शुरुआत करते हैं. It says the average weight of a group of 60 boys is 45 kg. The average weight of 60 boys is 45 kg. It was later noticed that the weight of one of the boys was mistakenly calculated as 65, whereas it was 35. So the weight was 35, but by mistake it was taken as 65. It was 35. By mistake it was taken as 65. So if the mistake is corrected, 65 would be taken as 35. If 65 would be taken as 35, the total will reduce by 30. And if the total reduces by 30 for 60 boys, the average reduces by 0.5. And if the average reduces by 0.5, the new average is 44.5 kgs. Yes, answer is option C in this case, right? If the total reduces by something, so whatever reduction is there in total or whatever increase in there is there in the total, that has to be distributed among all, right? So agar 60 boys hain, so whatever extra is there that must be distributed among 60 boys. Whatever less is there that must be taken from 60 boys. And that ways whatever comes out वही आपका average में change आएगा. It might be increase in the average or decrease in the average, but that will be decided by that only. So therefore the answer for this first question is 44.5. I'm sure it is understood to all of you now. So I'll move ahead to question number two. Question number two on your screen now. एंड अगेन आई सी अजय बैनी के अलावा सबने सही आंसर दिया था. एट द एंड प्रसाद ऑल्सो गेव द राइट आंसर. That's very good. I hope you will continue that in the upcoming questions as well. Here is question number 2 for all of you. Let me see how many of you answered this correctly now. Any answer for question number 2 before we start discussing it? I don't see any answer yet. Kunal Pawar has got the answer as B, 20%. Ajay Benny has got the answer as D, 30%. Prasad Ambore got B, which is 20% again. Rohit Deshpande has got B, which is 20%. Tech with Mukinda got D. Kunal Pawar says sorry, E. So B or D or E, these are the three answers we have got till now. Sahil Mahajan has got D. Is that all? We have got just 7 answers till now, or rather 6 answers. Kunal just corrected his answer. Let's start doing it. Though it was an easy question in my opinion, honestly speaking. कर लेना चाहिए था बहुत सारे लोगों को. There are two containers that have a mixture of milk and water. Container A has 51 liters of milk and 7 liters of water. Container B has 84 liters of mixture of milk and water in a ratio of 9:5. I hope all of you can distribute 84 in a ratio of 9:5. 9 plus 5 14 का 6 times है 84. So 9 6 54 मिल्क हो गया और 5 6 30 उसके अंदर वाटर हो गया. Mixtures from A and B are emptied into container C, which already has 8 liters of water in it. What is the final percentage of water in container C? So when all of them are mixed, the quantity of water here is 45, whereas the total quantity is 51 plus 7, 58, 54 plus 30, 84, plus 8. If you add all of them, this gives you how much? 8 plus 4, 12 plus 8, 20. So that is 150. So 150 liters is the total quantity in mixture C. This is the total quantity, out of which 45 liters is milk. So 150 ka what percentage is 45? It is 30%. So D option 30% is the right answer. Later on I see Yogita ने आंसर B दिया था, रितिका ने C दिया था, मोक्षदा ने B दिया था. But Nancy answered D, Saraswati answered D, Abhishek Kale has answered D. But many of you answered B. I don't know what mistake did you make, but the correct answer for this question is 30%. And I'm sure it is understood as well. There is nothing difficult in it, right? 51 plus 7, 58 फर्स्ट में है, 84 सेकंड में है, और बाकी का बचा हुआ थर्ड में है. तीनों को ऐड कर दो, दैट इज द टोटल क्वांटिटी, आउट ऑफ विच वाटर कैन इजिली बी कैलकुलेटेड. उसका परसेंटेज निकाल लिया हम लोगों ने, एंड वी गॉट द आंसर एज 30%. दैट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. I'll move on now to the next question. Question number 3. It is here on your screen now. These are absolutely the kind of questions that you see in Maharashtra CET as well. I am pretty sure once you are writing for the exam, you would be just seeing that I'm again doing this series questions. And please do press the like button as well along with doing the questions. If you actually like the session, if you find it good enough, please do press the like button. Dipankar Sahu has got A. Nancy Goyal also has got A. Roma Patel has got A. Wasim Khan has got A. Dhananjay got A. Yash has got A. That's very good. Tron has got A. Dhananjay Patil has got A. Abhishek Kale has got A. Let's start doing it then. Radhika borrowed some money on simple interest at the rate of 8% per annum for first 2 years, 7% per annum for the next 4 years, and 12% per annum for the period beyond 6 years. If the total interest paid by her at the end of 9 years is 3680, how much money did she borrow? So for the first 2 years, the interest is 8% per annum. For the next 4 years, the interest is 7% per annum. And after that, whatever is the number of years, it is always 12% for that. Because he's talking about 9 years, so after 2 and 4 years, this 12% he will be getting for 3 years. So how much interest Radhika got? Radhika got 8% per annum for 2 years, that is 16%. 7% for 4 years, which is 28%. 12% for 3 years, which is 36%. How much is that? 16 plus 28 is 44 plus 36, 80%. So she got 80% interest. And that 80% interest is equal to 3680. So whose 80% is 3680? It is 3680 divided by 80% or 0.8. When you solve it, you get 4600. So therefore, my answer for this question is option A. That is equal to 4600. Later on also मैं देख रहा हूँ दीपांशु, रोहित, क्रेजी अजय, ऋतुजा सभी ने आंसर इसका A दिया है except Tech with Mukinda. He gave the answer as D. Otherwise, Everyone answered A. That's very very good. इतने सारे लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया. That's brilliant. सिंपल क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज इट वॉज ए क्वेश्चन ऑफ सिंपल इंटरेस्ट तो प्रेटी इजी. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का होता तो इसमें बहुत बुरी हालत हो जाती. इट वुड बीन वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू आंसर. देयरफॉर दे वुड नॉट आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फॉर ए पीरियड लाइक 9 years. जनरली ऐसा वो इसमें नहीं करेंगे. ओके, चलिए जी, I'll move ahead now to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is here on your screen now. This is something that all of you can answer real fast. All of you. Let me see how many of you answer this fast. Chetan Kambale answered as A. Sahil Mahajan has answered C. Dipankar Sahu got A. A, C, and A are the three answers that we have got. Ajay Benny has got the answer as E, which is 8. Saurabh Deshmukh got E, which is 8. Roma Patel has got A, 4 kilometers. Orthodox Gaming has got 8 kilometers. Nancy Goyal has got E, which is 8 kilometers. Prasad Ambore got E. Mansi Bhingare has got A. Crazy Ajay got E. Rutuja got E. Pranay got A. चलिए करना शुरू करते हैं फिर. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. If the river is flowing with 2 km per hour, it takes him 3 hours to row to a place and come back. How far is the place? Of course, if the speed in still water is 6, speed of the river is 2, so the downstream speed is 6 plus 2, that is 8 km per hour. The upstream speed is equal to 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4 km per hour. Question is the total time taken to cover a distance is 3 hours. I mean, you went a distance, right? At a speed of 8, you came back at a speed of 4, total time taken is 3 hours. So how much is that distance? I think even by options I can try that, right? It surely should be a multiple of 8 and 4 most probably. तो अगर मैं 8 को देख रहा हूं तो 8 जाने में आपको 1 hour लगेगा और 8 आने में आपको 2 hours लगेंगे, and that satisfies a total of 3 hours. So straight away my answer is option E, that is 8 kilometers, though there is another way of doing it. If the speeds are 8 and 4, which are in a ratio of 2 is to 1, the time taken would be in a reverse ratio, that is 1 is to 2. तो अगर टोटल टाइम 3 hours है और 1:2 के रेशियो में, दैट मींस इट वाज 1 hour while going downstream, 2 hours while coming upstream. So 2 into 4 is also 8, 1 into 8 is also 8. Either of the ways I can say the total distance to be covered is 8 kilometers. Hence my answer is option E, that is 8 kilometers. And I see many people have given the right answer except a few who have given the wrong answer as well. I'll move ahead from here to question number 5. Here it is on your screen now. Here we have question number 5. So another question on time, speed, and distance. Let me see who answers this first. Dhananjay Patil has got the answer as B, 40 seconds. Yash has got the answer as B, 40 seconds. Saurabh Deshmukh has got B, 40 seconds. Orthodox Gaming has got 40. Mansi has got B. Rohit got B. Ajay Benny has got B. Dipankar has got B. सभी ने आंसर B दिया है. Looks like B is the correct answer then. Yogita has got the answer as B. That's great. I think we should start doing it now. Rutuja has got B. Amiya has got B. Chetan Kambale has got B. चलिए करते हैं. So it says train X running at a speed of 72 km per hour, which of course you all can do as 72 into 5 by 18 as 20 meter per second. It passed a platform in 20 seconds. So that means in 20 seconds at a speed of, 24 seconds at a speed of 20 meter per second, the distance covered by the train would be 480 meters, right? And it has passed a platform. So this is the length of the train plus the length of the platform. Length of the train plus the length of the platform. Length of the platform is 40% more than the train. So I can say length of the platform is 1.4 times of that of the train. It is 40% more than the train, so 1.4. Or 2.4 times of the train's length is equal to 480. I can say length of the train is 200 meters. What next? Then it says, find the time taken by this train X, that means this is train X, to cross another train Y of the same length uski bhi 200 ही है, and traveling in same direction at half the speed of X. So इसका मतलब ट्रेन X की लेंथ है 200 meters, speed है हमारे पास 20 meter per second. There is another train Y with the same length 200 meters, but running at half the speed of X. What is the time taken it to cross? And they are running in the same direction. In that case, the total distance is to be covered is 200 plus 200. Same direction का मतलब है 20 minus 10. So 40 seconds is the time taken to cover that distance. My answer is option B, that is equal to 40 seconds. And sabhi ne sahi answer diya. That's such a good thing, right? Everyone gave the correct answer for this question. The correct answer is 40 seconds. Easy questions. So let me tell you, Maharashtra CT would be asking you such easy questions only. So have this confidence that actually you can crack very easily because इसी तरह के questions आपसे Maharashtra CT पूछता है. So that was question number 5. I'll move ahead now to question number 6. Here is question number 6 for all of you on your screen now. Here is question number 6. I would like to see how many of you answer this fast enough. That's again an easy question. And I still see that the number of likes is too low. So please, I request all of you to please like the session. I don't think that session is that bad that you won't even press the like button. That's the only fee that you have to pay for these sessions. Yogita has answered A, Surbhi has answered E, Srishtu has answered A, Rohit Deshpande says A. Three people have answered A, one have answered E. Ajay Benny says B, Dipankar says A, Kunal Pawar says A. That's great. Saurabh Deshmukh got B, Bionic Beast has got C. So we have got A, B, C, and E till now. Except D, we have got all the answers. Bionic Beast says A is absolutely wrong. 4 of them are absolutely wrong. And the one which is remaining is your answer. चलिए करते हैं. The number of employees in Oblique's Menhir company is a prime number and is less than 300. The ratio of the number of employees who are graduates and above to that of the employees who are not can possibly be people who are graduate or above and people who are not. So ultimately together they would make the total employee strength, right? Either you are graduate and above or you are not. There cannot be third category. So basically it is a ratio of the people such that together they make the complete strength of the company. Okay. Later on, I see Orthodox Gaming says B, Abhishek Kale says A, Amiya and Saraswati has given the answer as he. Check karte hain. Because the total number of employees is a prime number, according to option A, total number of employees is 189 or a multiple of that. According to option B, the total number of employees is 187 or a multiple of that. According to option 3, the total number of employees is 221 or a multiple of that. According to option 4, it is 183 or a multiple of that. And according to option 5, it is 181 or a multiple of that. Now, because the total number of employees should be a prime number, it cannot be 189 because 189 is 9 into 21. It's a multiple of 9. It cannot be 187 because it is 11 into 17. It cannot be 221 because it is 13 into 17. It cannot be 183 because it is 3 into 61. The only option among them which can be prime is 181 because you cannot write 181 as a product of two numbers which are greater than 1. Therefore, 181 is a prime number. Hence, my answer is option E. Actually, this question is an actual CAT question. वहां पूछा गया, लेकिन I've seen this question in other exams as well. Therefore, we have put up here as well. You might see such a question or exactly the same question, who knows, in Maharashtra CT exam as well. So later on, I see many people have given the right answer. Shishtu ने E बोला था, सौरभ देशमुख ने E बोला था, योगिता, रोहित, दीपांकर, very good guys. I hope you will continue with that. We'll move ahead to the next question now with the same logic. Question number 7 on your screen now. Here is question number 7 for all of you. Still, many of you have not liked the session. I mean, is it that bad? 53 people are watching. Just 24 of you have liked the session. Please do press the like button, guys. Let me see some answer before I start doing this question. Atul Nagre has got the answer as B. Amiya Chobe has got the answer as A. Shravasti has got A. Ritika has got E. Vaishnavi has got A. Mansi has got B. We got A, B, and E till now. Rohit Deshpande got A. Dipankar Sahu got E. Let's start doing it. See, the simple point is the ratio of two numbers is 7 is to 9. Question is asking you sum of the numbers and their product is 3872. If the product of two numbers is 3872 and they are in a ratio of 7:9, can I take the numbers as 7x and 9x? 7x and 9x का प्रोडक्ट है 3872, दैट मीन्स x स्क्वायर, यहां से कैंसल आउट कर दोगे 64 आएगा, दैट मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू 8. If x is equal to 8, the numbers are 56 and 72. Question is asking you about their sum, which is equal to 128. Actually, this was useless over here, that the LCM of two numbers is 504, right? वो अपने आप ही 504 आएगा, उसको आना ही पड़ेगा. If it is not 504, the question would be inconsistent then, right? But that was a useless information. We did not need it. Straight away, we could have answered it as 128. So many of you have given the correct answer. First of all, Atul gave the correct answer, followed by Mansi, Orthodox Gaming, and then later on, Dipankar also gave the correct answer, and then Abhishek Kale as well. Okay. So B option is the right answer for this question, that is 128. I hope it is clear to all. I'll move ahead now to the next question. Question number 8 on your screen now. Here we have question number 8. 64 into 63 is 4032. So Orthodox Gaming, that was 64 into 64 because x square was equal to that. अच्छा, you are saying 64 into 63, वहां पे 7 और 9 से कैंसिल आउट होके 64 नहीं आ रहा. अच्छा, ये आप कह रहे हैं. लेट मी चेक दैट. मैं चेक कर लेता हूं एक बार. मुझे तो ये लगा पीछे 4 आना चाहिए तभी आएगा. You are saying 64 into 63. 64 into 64 is 4096. उसमें से 64 minus होगा. And then, oh yes, you are right. It was 4032. So yes, there was a mistake in the question. I agree. There was a mistake in the question. Absolutely. I agree. Sahil Mahajan has got the answer as D, that is 3. Ajay Benny has got B, which is 1. Amia Chaube has got D. Yes, 3 people have answered. 2 of them are saying D, 1 is saying B. Yojana has got B as the answer. It was not divisible by 63. Agreed, Ajay, possibly. I mean, there was a mistake. So, what to talk about the mistake now? I agree it was a mistake. Atul Nagre has got B. Mansi Bingare has got B. Ashok got B. Saurabh got B. Ritika got B. Chetan Kamble got B. Arcade Babu Rao has got C. Rutuja has got B. चलिए करते हैं फिर. It says, what is the least integer value of A such that this equation has no real roots? When an equation have no real roots, when the discriminant is less than 0. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So b square means minus 6 square minus 4 into a, that is 3a plus 1, into c, that is 2. It should be less than 0. It gives me 36 minus 8 into 3a plus 1 should be less than 0. और 4 से मैं कैंसल आउट कर देता हूं तो 9 minus 2 into 3a plus 1 should be less than 0. और 9 should be less than twice of 3a plus 1. और 4.5 should be less than 3a plus 1. और 3.5 should be less than 3a, or a should be greater than 3.5 by 3. That means 1.66 नहीं 1.166 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. So value of a should be greater than 1.166. Greater than 1.166 is equal to 2. So therefore the least integer for which it is possible, the answer is B for that. Sorry, C for that. बाद में भी बहुत लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया है. बायोनिक 20 ने बी आंसर बोला है, श्रवस्ती ने आंसर बी बोला है, अमिया चौबे सेज बी, नैन्सी गोयल सेज बी, दीपांकर also says B. Though even at this stage you could have tried by putting some values rather than doing the complete process. मैं यहीं पे ये कर सकता था. Let's try 0. So 3 into 0 is 0 plus 1, 1 into 2. 9 minus 2 is not less than 0. Not satisfying. 1. So 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 to the 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 is not less than 0. Not satisfied. 2 put karte ho, it becomes less than 0. So that satisfies. So either you can go ahead with that or you can straight away put the values and check ki kaun si satisfy kar rahi hai. Both of them are correct. None of them is wrong. Okay. That was question number 8. Now I'll move ahead to question number 9. Question number 9 is here on your screen now. Let me see how fast you do see these kind of questions. The sum of all natural numbers between 200 and 400 which are divisible by 7. I would again request all of you to please like the session, guys. There are still just 28 likes. That looks like a very bad figure to me. मतलब seriously ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. इतने सारे लोग देख रहे हैं उसके बावजूद. So many less likes are there. Abhishek Kale got the answer as B. And that's very fast. If that is correct, that's good. Dipankar Sahu got B. Rohit Deshpande has got B. Orthodox Gaming has got 8749. Okay. Shristu has got B. Okay, 8729. Okay. Mansi has got B. Crazy Ajay has got B. Tushar Kesarkar got B. Rutuja got B. I think we can start doing it now. करना शुरू करते हैं. Slightly lengthy it might be. Sum of all natural numbers between this and this which are divisible by 7. How do we do these questions? I'll find out first of all the first number divisible by 7, which is 203, and that is 7 into 29. What is the last number divisible by 7? That is 399. That is 7 into 57. Okay. So basically I have all the numbers from 7 into 29 to 7 into 30, 7 into 31, 7 into 32 up to 7 into 57. अब 7 तो सभी में है. Straight away get the sum of these numbers and they are in AP series, right? What is the number of terms here? Last term 57 minus first term 29 plus 1. This is how we get the number of series fast. AP series में निकालने का सीधा तरीका है, if there are consecutive numbers, last term minus first term उसमें 1 ऐड कर दो, और अगर ये consecutive ना हो तो इसको common difference से divide कर दो पहले. First of all, divided by common difference, right? So here they are consecutive. 57 minus 29 is 28 plus 1. So there are 29 terms. So what is the sum of an AP series? If you guys remember, it is n by 2 into a plus l. First term plus last term, right? And that all are to be multiplied by 7. So the sum would also be 7 times of that. So it is 7 into 29 by 2 into 29 plus 57, which is equal to 86, or 7 into 29 into 43 is my answer. So now when I was doing this question, I did 7 into 9 3, 3 into 3 9, तो पीछे 9 आना चाहिए. There is only one option which is ending with a 9. By that logic, I can say answer is option B, which is 8729. Right? So I use the concept of AP series over here. I would repeat, how do we get the number of terms fast in an AP series? अगर वो consecutive है, last term minus first term plus 1. अगर consecutive नहीं है, मान लीजिए 2 का difference है, last term minus first term divided by 2 plus 1. ठीक है, अगर 3 का कॉमन डिफरेंस है, डिवाइडेड बाय 3 करके प्लस 1 कर दो. 4 का कॉमन डिफरेंस है, 4 से डिवाइड करके प्लस 1 कर दो. दैट्स द इजियर वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. अल्टीमेटली इट कम्स फ्रॉम a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to लास्ट टर्म, उसी से आता है, लेकिन उसको बार बार इक्वेशन की फॉर्म में लिख के सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. दैट बिकम्स अ बिट लेंथी. And finally, for the sum, I've used the formula sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2 into first term plus last term. A represents the first term, L represents the last term, first term plus last term into n by 2. That was question number 9. Now I'll move ahead to question number 10. Question number 10 on your screen is here now. Bionic Beast has got the answer as D, 40. Saurabh Deshmukh has got 40. Crazy Ajay has got D, that is 40. Surbhi Sawant has got D, that is 40. Abhishek Kale got D. Sahil Mahajan has got D. Chetan Kambale has got D. Rutuja got 40. Tichkule has got D, that is 40. Let us start doing it now. करना शुरू करते हैं. In the following number series, only one number is wrong. Find out that wrong number. It says 2, 3, 10, 40, 172, 885, 5346. I can easily see that 2, 3, 10, I mean, this is approximately 3 times of the number, 4 times of the number, 4 times of the number, 5 times of the number, approximately 6 times of the number. So, I mean, a increasing multiple is there, right? If I look at 2 to 3, it is 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 3 to 10 क्या है? It is 3 into 2 plus 4, that is equal to 10. 10 to 40 क्या है? It should be 10 into 330 plus 10, that is equal to 40. 40 से 172 क्या है? It is 40 into 4, 160 plus 12, that is 172. What is 172 to 885? 172 into 5 कितना आता है ये? 860 plus 25, that is equal to 885. And finally 885 into 6 plus something is 5346. If you calculate that, it comes out to be 36. Now, when one number in the series is wrong, that actually creates a problem at two places, right? With the previous number, with the next number as well. तो अगर आप यहां देखें 1, 4, 25, 36, these are all perfect squares, right? These are all perfect squares. After 1 and 4, actually it should have been 9. So this number should have been 39. And had it been 39, 39 into 4 would have been 56, and along with that 16 would have made 172, and if this would have been correct, everything else would have been in place. So therefore 40 is the number which is the right answer for us, because had it been 39 in place of 40, we would have into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 9 into 4 plus 16, so into n plus the next square, बार बार next square add होता चला जा रहा है into n के साथ. So therefore this is how it is going on, and that way the answer is question option 40. That was question number 10 for all of you. Generally we take 10 questions, but today again I have some bonus questions the way we have been doing it in the previous classes as well. एक बार फिर से, but before starting with the bonus question, I will only take that if you take the number of likes to more than 50. Currently I see only 36 likes. 52 people are watching. If the number of likes is not more than 50, I am not going to take those two bonus questions. I have two more bonus questions. Otherwise, I'll close the session. आपको अच्छा ही नहीं लग रहा, फिर क्या फायदा है दो और क्वेश्चन कराने का? अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो आपको लाइक करना चाहिए. दो देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु वुड हैव सीन द वीडियो गॉन अवे, उन लोगों ने लाइक किया होगा, चले गए होंगे, बट एटलीस्ट whoever is watching, they should surely like the session to take it above 50 so that we can take it ahead for two more questions. Okay, still I see it is 41 only. Please take it above 50 so that we can discuss these two questions. Okay, here comes question number 11 now. आपको भी पता है कि करने तो हैं ही सर ने, है ना, ऐसी बात तो है नहीं. लाइक कितने भी हों, ही इज गोइंग टू डिस्कस टू मोर क्वेश्चंस. Abhishek Kale got the answer as C. Others? Crazy Ajay has got C. Shristu has got C. Chetan Kamble has got C. Please do it. I'll be back within a minute now. Hani, many of you are saying C as the answer. So let's start doing it now. Karte. A ladder leans against a vertical wall. The top of the ladder is 8 meters above the ground. So ladder leans against a wall. Let us say this is the ladder. Top of the ladder is 8 meters above the ground. When the bottom of the ladder is moved 2 meters further, so अगर इसको मैं यहाँ से 2 मीटर पीछे ले जाऊं, he says, the top of the ladder rests against the foot of the wall. So basically ladder जो है ना, the ladder then it rests on the ground like this, right? So it rests on the wall. That means if this length is equal to x, so this complete length x plus 2 is the length of the ladder here. And here you can use Pythagoras theorem. I can say x plus 2 whole square is equal to 8 square plus x square. वैसे अगर आपको Pythagorean triplet याद है तो सीधा ही समझ में आ जाएगा. With 8, the Pythagorean triplet is 8, 15, 17. So by that logic, this x should be 15, x plus 2 should be 17. What is the length of the ladder? Length of the ladder is 17. 17 is the correct answer. I'll also tell you that how can you get easily a way to get the Pythagorean triplet. कुछ नंबर्स के Pythagorean triplet बहुत आसानी से निकल सकते हैं फॉर एवरी इवन नंबर. एक बता ही देता हूं, बात चल रही है तो. जैसे 8 है, स्क्वायर इट और उसका 1/4 कर दो. हर इवन नंबर के लिए स्क्वायर करके 1/4. सो 64 का 1/4 इज 16. 16 से पहले आता है 15, 16 के बाद आता है 17. सो 8, 15, 17 इज अ पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट. 6 है मान लीजिए, 6 का स्क्वायर 36, 1/4 कर दो 9. तो 9 से पहले आता है 8, 9 के बाद आता है 10. तो 6, 8, 10 इज अ पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट. विद एवरी इवन नंबर यू कैन डू इट. और ऑड नंबर के लिए स्क्वायर करके हाफ करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल 5, 5 का स्क्वायर 25, 25 बाई 2 12.5. 12.5 से पहले 12 आता है, 12.5 के बाद 13 आता है. तो 5, 12, 13 इज अ पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट. इस तरीके से विद एवरी ऑड एंड एवरी इवन नंबर यू कैन मेक अ पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट एक्सेप्ट 1 एंड 2. 1 और 2 के ट्रिपलेट्स नहीं होते, बाकी सभी के ट्रिपलेट्स आप इससे बना सकते हो. ये एक आसान सा तरीका. This brings us to the last question of the day, question number 12. A very common type in Maharashtra CT. हर साल आपको 3-4 क्वेश्चन इस तरह के देखने को मिलते हैं. Let me see how many of you answer this question correctly now. Question number 12 on your screen now. That's the last question of the day, at least for that concept that I just discussed on the previous page. If you liked it, you know what is to be done. आज मुझे इतना बोलना पड़ रहा है लाइक करने के लिए, तब भी 50 लाइक्स नहीं हुए. आई मीन दिस हैज नेवर हैपेंड इन द प्रीवियस सेशंस. आज की जनता अच्छी नहीं है. Sanu has got the answer as E. Okay, Sanu. Arcade Babu Rao has got the answer as D. Bionic Beast has got the answer as E. E, D, E are the first three answers. Saurabh Deshmukh got D. That is X is greater than or equal to Y. Two people said E, two people said D. Any other answers? I mean, these are very common types. ये तो आप सबको आनी चाहिए actually. If you don't know these, then start doing them because they'll be asked to you in the exam. This is one of those types. Mayur Chhatre has got the answer as C. Let us start doing it then. Okay, first equation. I hope all of you know how to use that middle term split method, right? So here A into C, 45 into 4 is 180. So I have to distribute 180 into two parts such that the sum is 36, which is clearly 30 and 6. So I have 4x square minus 30x minus 6x plus 45 is equal to 0. 2x can be taken out common. I have 2x minus 15. Minus 3 can be taken out common and I have 2x minus 15. By that, okay, we are also available on all these media handles, that is YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram and Android. That's all from my side. Thank you very much guys. Have a good day now, rather good night. So we'll meet again in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care all of you. Bye bye.